Hello friends, welcome. Have you just gotten your DoorDash Crimson Card and want to know how to activate it fast? You're in the right place. So step number 1, check your email for the welcome message. So when your card arrives, look for an email titled something like Welcome to DoorDash Crimson. It includes your 16-digit card number and of course instructions. Make sure you've updated to the latest version of your app and then open it. Tap the account icon on the bottom right. Then select Dash Pass or Payment Methods. Under Payment Methods, tap Add Card, enter the card info from your email, or use the camera icon to scan it. Fill in the cardholder name and expiration dates. After that, you need to verify your card. DoorDash will typically charge a $0 hold or small authorization to verify the card. If prompted, enter any code sent via email or SMS to confirm. Once added, tap Set as Default, so all future orders and your Dash Pass subscription automatically bill to the Crimson Card. And kudos, you've successfully activated your DoorDash Crimson Card. Now you're ready to earn credits and enjoy Dash Pass benefits on every order. Guys, if this guide helped, hit like and of course subscribe for more DoorDash tips and tricks. Happy ordering!